In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can set and customize your lock screen here on iOS 26. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now you can either go through your settings by opening up your settings, then going into wallpaper and then tapping add new wallpaper, and then the customization menu is going to appear from there, or you can do this directly from your lock screen just by holding down on your current lock screen, and it's going to open up a page that looks like this. If you want to adjust your current lock screen, go ahead and just make sure it's selected and then hit customize just like so, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this where you can either make it 3D, change the clock size, add different widgets and whatnot, or what you can do is just hit this little plus icon or swipe all the way to the right and then hit this plus icon and choose a new wallpaper just like so. You could choose pictures, you could choose these dynamic ones. It really is up to you, and from here you can actually add widgets and do so much more. Now to actually add a new thing as your lock screen, go ahead and hit add up in the top right. Or when you're customizing it, it's just going to have a save option in the same exact location. Go ahead and select that and you're good to go. But when you do select add, you're going to have the option to customize your home screen or set it as a wallpaper pair. Just choose one of these options that matches whatever you're trying to do. In my case, I'm just going to set it as a wallpaper pair and boom, just like so, we're good to go. If you ever want to delete it, return to this page, swipe up, hit delete, and delete this wallpaper. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And if at any point through this guide you did have any questions, remember that you can ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.